Alrighty guys, welcome to another trade recap. Today we're going to be going over NASDAQ futures for Monday, June 9th. Looking at the chart today, our pre-market highs, we got these relatively equal highs. We got them boom, 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 boom. That's like four. Obviously the market open, we see them there. We see these two highs back here, but I like these relatively equal highs right here. Obviously, looking at the way price went, it didn't matter which highs you took. So we've got these relatively equal highs, and then we've got these relatively equal lows that happened overnight around 3 a.m. Central. So price drops down, falls off a cliff on market open. No first presentation fair value gap until the 837 candle. This fair value gap is so small that you really can't do anything with it unless you're just using it as an inverse fair value gap. So I knew I wasn't going to trade out of it, but I see that we sweep these lows once here, and then once again with this big candle that makes the fair value gap. We still mark it out, and then after we sweep those lows, we shoot straight up, make another fair value gap, and that's really what we're going to use to target these highs. So price went up, makes the fair value gap. That's the one we're going to mark as the first presented fair value gap for Monday for the rest of the week. We see price come up, come down, come up, come down, consolidate. This is where you either FOMO and get a bad fill like me, or you stay patient and you get a fill that's much better down here if you're smart. But nothing worse than thinking you're being patient and then price runs on you. So we entered right here, not a great fill. Took a little bit of drawdown, but came straight out, took out these highs easily. And then the next highs that I have marked are Friday's high, which, as you can see, we're taking out. You would have had to deal with coming up to these highs, pulling back a little bit more drawdown, and then going up, and you'd have to hold for this whole gap where there's basically nothing other than these highs that are telling you to hold. But yeah, I take a nice 25 points every day of the week. I made about $500 on this trade. Trading a funded account is in the pro phase, so it's all withdrawable. And I'm soon going to have another funded account in the pro phase. So I'll be trading 2 contracts instead of just one on one account. So that'll be nice. And yeah, guys, sorry I haven't been posting much recently. Honestly, I've been having a lot more losing days this past month. It was tough, but we didn't blow any accounts, so that's good. We stayed in it. We kept our risk. We'd have a really good day, a really bad day, a really good day, really bad day. I was just unmotivated to post, but we're really going to try to stay on a good posting schedule and stay consistent. But yeah, guys, y'all follow me on Twitter. If I don't post on YouTube, I always post on Twitter at Gilly_trades, at Gilly_trades. Give me a follow there if you want to see the trade recap as soon as I take the trade, essentially. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we have another good day.